In this video, we're going to discuss how to add keywords to your Google Ads account and how to choose which keywords to add, which keywords to target within your Google Ads campaign. It's actually not a simple question because lots of advertisers, especially people who are new to Google Ads, new to search marketing, they're trying to add as many keywords as possible in their campaign, thinking that the more keywords will result in a better result for their campaign. In fact, it's not true at all. So it's not the amount of the keywords that you add to your campaign will definitely result in you spending more money because your budget will be just spread across many keywords, but it's not going to give you the best results. The best results will come if the keywords that you use in your account are very targeted towards your potential clients. So in other words, if somebody is searching very specifically for the service or product that you provide, and preferably in a specific location, then you will get the best results. So let's just jump into the Google Ads campaign. I'll just explain you how to think about choosing the keywords and how many keywords you should have in your Google Ads campaign. So this is the Google Ads account. You'll have to go to the Tools menu, and then you have to go to the Keyword Planner. Now in the Keyword Planner, you will have this big tab called Discover New Keywords. When you click on it, it will allow you to put some ideas in and see how people are searching, what they're searching for. For the sake of this example, let's just pretend that we're running a plumbing company, let's say in Melbourne, Australia, and we want to see how many people are searching for plumbers, right? So we'll put plumbers, Melbourne. So for example, if we're the plumbing company and we're targeting the clients in Melbourne, that would be a good keyword for us, right? If somebody is searching plumbers or plumber Melbourne, yeah, that's a good term for us. And now we click on Get Results just to see how many people are searching. So as you can tell here on this screen, I'll just zoom it in for you. So plumber Melbourne is being searched approximately 6,500 searches every month. So it's a lot of searches. A lot of people are searching for this keyword. So it's definitely a good candidate for our plumbing business if we're running plumbing business in Melbourne. What I want to say also is the more precise you are with the location, the better it is for you. By precise, I mean plumber Melbourne is a good term, but Melbourne is a big city, you know, and there is a north side, south side, like west side. So it's a large city. So it's better to have keywords in your account that are very close to your location. So targeting by suburb for the plumbing business, if there are enough searches, would probably be the best idea to get the real clients to knock on your door, right? Or call your number, of course. So, and you can tell that, look, plumber St Kilda, plumber Caroline Springs, etc. So there are searches there. In every suburb there are a certain number of searches. So targeting these keywords will be with a suburb name within the keyword will be a really good idea if you're targeting if you're running a plumbing business. Now, if we're trying to decide how many keywords should we have in our account in total. Now, really depends on your budget. If you have $100, for example, $100 a day to spend on Google Ads, how many keywords you should have? Well, if your cost per click for the keyword that you have selected is around, let's say $10, right? For plumbing keywords, probably even more. Then you probably should have only 10 keywords to enter to start running your account and see how you go. See which keyword convert, which keyword provide you better results. And then as you go, you can switch this keyword, but you probably shouldn't have more than 10 if your cost per click is $10 per click and your budget constraints is $100 per day. Shouldn't have more than 10 keywords, right? If we're talking about the products, let's say, for example, we are selling carpets, right? So we can have a look, carpets. How many people are searching for carpets, right? So if we look at the carpets, we can see that in Australia, approximately 33,000 searches every month. People are searching for carpets in Australia. Again, carpet's a very, very general term because, like you can tell, some people are searching for installation, some people are searching to buy. Carpets come in different sizes. So again, the more precise we are, the better it will be. So if you provide, if you're just an online store selling carpets, so probably you should be targeting keywords like carpets online, right? So why this keyword is so good, carpets online? It's probably a very, very competitive term. It's not. Carpets online, only 390 searches in Australia. But if somebody is searching for carpets or rugs online, by the way, has a much more number of people who is searching for it. If somebody is searching online, carpets online or rug online, this word online that they placed in the search term actually tells you that they're looking online. They want to buy online, right? So otherwise they wouldn't be typing in online. Otherwise, they would be typing something like carpets local store or carpets near me. The fact that they actually searching for carpets online using the word online means that they actually ready to buy online. So this is just basic general ideas of how to choose the keywords. So what you have to be careful of is don't put too many keywords in your account if you have budget constraints, because otherwise it's going to be really hard for you to tell what's working, what's not. If you're running a service business, try to use keywords with a location as well. So if you're plumbing, concreting, electrician, use the name of the service plus the location, plus suburbs, cities, etc. And if you are running an online store, try to include phrases that contain words like online, buy online, and so on. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions about your current Google Ads account, want some help, we're actually running professional Google Ads accounts for our clients. Feel free to contact me. My name is Max. Thanks for watching these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.